Thanks so much for joining today, joining the Meditations with Lovejoy. I've put these together for those of you that are on a creative journey and maybe you're approaching your creative time and you need a little bit of focus, or you need just to relax a little bit and let go of your day. These meditations are for you. Or if you have something coming up to where you need really fine lines and your hands are kind of shaky, or you need to work in really small areas, doing a little meditation before you do that section of your creative project really just adds benefit and makes your process a little bit easier. With that being said, even if you're using this to just relax and you're not going to do something creative afterwards, that's okay. I'm a big advocate of finding time to, check in with yourself, focus on your breathing, be present. And if you get that from this meditation, wonderful. Again, thank you for joining. So as we get started, I want to take a moment to allow yourself to get comfortable, give yourself permission to take this next bit of time and practice just relaxing and practice a little bit of meditation. I want you to let go of whatever happened earlier today, whatever you're anticipating happening later this week or later today. I want you to just be here in your body in this moment with your breath. I want you to feel the gentle rhythm of air moving in and out of your body, like the rhythmic waves that dance up and down a white sandy beach. I want you to focus on your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Allow your breath to become effortless and smooth. Feel yourself relax and soften with each deep breath. With each exhale, tension and stress leave your body. As you breathe in, I want you to send the breath to your feet. Inhale. As you exhale, allow your feet to relax and become still. On your next inhale, you're going to send this to your legs. Relax your calves. Relax your ankles. Allow your legs to become still as you exhale. On your next inhale, send your breath to your hips, to your pelvis, to your tailbone, to your belly. Exhale. Relax the muscles in your hips. Relax the muscles in your lower back. On your next inhale, I want you to expand your stomach. Fill every inch of your lungs in with oxygen. And as you exhale, expel all oxygen. Deplete your lungs. And then breathe in again and fill every inch of your lungs. Exhale and allow your torso to become still. breath, I want you to move it into your arms, your hands, and your shoulders. All the tension that you carry in your shoulders melts away on your next exhale. And because we carry a lot of tension in those areas, let's do one more round. In your next inhale, send it to your shoulders, your arms, your hands. And as you exhale, the stress and the tension melts away. Your shoulders relax and become still. Now on your next inhale, your face and your neck and your head, send the breath there. Relax the base of your neck as you exhale. Relax the muscles in your face. Relax the muscles in your jaw. Inhale. Exhale. Finally, the entire body can feel the breath move in and feel your breath move out. Inhale, exhale. Your entire body becomes still. Allow your mind to slow down and be clear. Focus only on your inhale and your exhale. Your thoughts, the spinning craziness of your brain is slowing down. The to-do lists and the worries are falling away. Your mental fogginess begins to clear with each breath. Your restlessness that you feel begins to subside, and let peace and calm wash through you. Feel yourself being bathed in complete stillness and peace. Breathe. Breathe in the peace. Breathe in the stillness. Breathing. I want you to tune in to what's happening beneath the surface. How are you feeling? Are you focusing on your breathing? I want you to be still and observe the thoughts that may pass through your mind. Look at them with no attachment. Let them go. Focus on your breathing. No connection to the thoughts that are just passing through. Focus on your breathing. Be present. You are your breath. With each exhale, the stress and the tension and the anxieties melt away. Focus space anytime that you want. Focus on your breathing. Take another moment and focus on being here. A few more inhales. Focus on the exhale. I want you to observe your body, your mind, your thoughts, and your emotions. Send yourself love as you breathe and observe. Focus on what you're grateful for in this moment, right now. Even if it's that you can focus on breathing, be grateful for that. Remember, you can come to this space anytime you need to by focusing on your breathing. You to start being aware of your body. Maybe wiggle your toes a little bit. We're going to be bringing our consciousness back, our awareness back into your body in the present moment. I'm proud of you. I want you to take what you've learned here into your daily life. Keep focusing on your breathing. Maybe open your eyes. Move your hands. Turn your head side to side. Smile at yourself. Give yourself permission to enjoy whatever task you have after this, whatever adventure you have after this meditation. Enjoy it. Be present. Just breathe. I want to thank you for doing this and joining. I hope you found this beneficial. And I look forward to seeing you again in a class or in another meditation. Namaste.